Alright, I was sent this link by one of my WhatsApp group members, and the person asked me, "Roy, what do you think about this?" Okay, now read out. It's a Khalid Times article. It says that a Pakistani YouTuber arrested for his viral prank harassing women. Okay, now I'll give you my thoughts as I read. The first thing is, I'm not a big fan of these prank videos, okay? I don't know, okay, fine, you have a joke, fine. But if you revolve your whole life around just these jokes or these pranks or tricking people, it's not funny. In fact, one or two you can see and find ha ha ha. But after that, you're like, and then what I feel is there's a large audience or large group of people who just have nothing else to do other than watch this. For example, you're climbing an elevator, someone takes a cream pie and smashes on your face. Okay, you're standing and talking to a girl and your hands are in your pocket, but they don't know that your real hand is inside the shirt and you're touching the girl's butt. And then there are others where you have this toy snake which is chasing. We have seen all these kinds of videos. Now, yes, let's be honest, once a while it's funny, ha ha ha, we enjoy. But then the thing is, what happens is people, when they start getting views, when they start getting followers, they always have to think of creative ways to make more funny videos. And then when other people follow, then the competition begins. How can I one up this prank? How can I push the envelope? And that is where things get really out of hand. I'll be honest with you. I've seen this Indian and Pakistani prank videos where a guy's passing by and he's saying, "Hey, what the hell do you think of yourself?" And this guy comes, "Hey, what do you want?" And they want to fight, and then he gives him a slap, and then they say, "Oh, listen, this is a prank video." Okay, fine. It was funny as long as it was funny. But then the problem is we are giving rise to a whole bunch of content creators who want to be famous, who want to make money. And this is the easiest way to fame. It doesn't take a lot of intelligence. It just takes idea, and you have to execute it. So personally, this is me. I don't know about you. I don't find prank videos funny. Once a while, yes, but given the number of people who are doing pranks and all that, like for example, you remember the gold digger? Okay, he parked his expensive car and a girl comes and then says, "Gold digger, fuck off, bitch." And it has, okay, that Vitali guy got 72 million views or whatever, or smooching a girl when she's lying down. Fine. These are all paid actresses to do the job. But then the problem is there are so many copycats. So now this Pakistani guy, now just let that sink in. Pakistan, which is supposed to be a conservative place, which is supposed to follow the principles of Islam, which is supposed to be like, they have all these rules, and if anyone puts a blame on you without evidence, they'll fucking stone you to death. You can talk, someone can say, "Oh, he insulted the Quran or the Prophet," and even if they shoot someone in the name of for insulting the Prophet or anything, they are celebrated. So in a country like that, you're still trying to be a jackass and harass women. You have to be a special kind of an idiot. So personally speaking, I'm not sorry for this guy. In fact, I'm really glad, and I hope he stays in prison for an extended period of time so that he can not only regret, he can stop this nonsense once and for all. And yes, he needs to be named and shamed, which he already is. So Khan Ali, a popular Pakistani YouTuber with no brains, I'm pretty sure, has been arrested. No brains in the sense, not that. See, to do all this also you need brains. But what is the value that he's offering you? Okay, has been arrested for after harassing women in a viral prank video. According to the Express Tribune, the Gujranwala local was apprehended by city police after user Sadaf Alvi tagged Amna Beg, sub-division police officer in Islamabad, to take due action against the vlogger. Okay, now the only thing I hope is this person, Sadaf Alvi, doesn't get into trouble, because they might end up locating who is this person and take revenge. So Sadaf Alvi, the grumpy doctor at the rate, this man has been harassing Pakistani women on roads and public places for not wearing a headscarf. He has been doing this for months. Just imagine that. He has been doing it for months. Not a one-time thing. So he knows that this is popular. So he kept doing it. And I'll tell you one thing. I really do not like when people harass other people, especially women. You have to respect women. Okay, fine. She might act like a bitch or whore or show a bum or boobs or this or that. Be respectful. Keep your distance. Don't interact. So, but he was not doing this to, you know, brainless women, indecent women. Sorry, he was doing this to, you know, it might be someone's mother, someone's sister. What kind of joke is this? Okay, and then doing for months, and then post their videos on the internet without their knowledge or consent. That is a very, very serious thing. When you put someone's video without their approval, you know, their reputation, people laugh at them, bully them, harass them. There's a lot of dangers. Then he's been doing this to enforce Islam. Yeah, now Allah will take care of you behind bars. You can pray 5 times a day there only and pray. So let Allah come and enforce some Islam in you. So then the screenshot of the Twitter is the thing. Okay, Alvi's videos, originally posted on TikTok, garnered over 226,000 views on Twitter. She added, his videos of harassing women has been on the internet for months, but this person is still free to harass more women and post their videos on the internet. Is this not a crime? 100% it's a crime. Who will identify him? Well, he did get identified. Who will arrest him and protect Pakistani women? Nothing but congratulations to this person who uploaded and exposed this guy. He deserves it. Absolutely bloody deserves it. And I hope he doesn't get out within a few days. Let him be there for a couple of months. Let him pay a bail, a bond, and let his family get named and shamed. So when he comes back, he will lock himself and then rethink his life. COP. Okay, Gurjanwala shared the news of Ali's arrest at the Gakar Mandi police, nice name, on Twitter, stressing that protecting people's dignity was their first priority. Congratulations. I would say that a very intelligent move, something they should have done. And there's nothing to feel sad or bad. Anyway, you tell me. Here's my question to you. Do you like these prank videos? Yes, we enjoy it, but do you think this kind of videos where you harass women from other people's families and unknown people, is this okay? I mean, where do you draw the line? And who defines how much of it is a prank and where it is funny? In fact, if I want you to see some videos where they're pranking and fooling this guy by insulting them only to receive a fist on their jaw, and then this guy had a actual hole on his cheek, his lip, I think tore, his complete flesh opened up. This was a true story, huh? You can, if you get the link, just let me know. I'll put the link in the description. So it can be dangerous, and I think the most extreme one was touching the girl's butts and squeezing it, and this guy got his career got destroyed. The other serious one was when this guy kidnapped his friend in a so-called prank video, and they had a gun they put to his head. Means the guy who they are fooling is sitting here, he's watching. The other guy covered his face, and they acted like they shot him with fake blood and all that. And this guy was screaming, and then they say, hey, it's a prank, it's a prank. It's not fucking funny, man. For attention, people do all that. And you remember that you get out of the car and you do some dance and some shit like that. I find these videos so disgusting and so irritating. It just leaves me to wonder that just for few minutes of fame, people can do all this. And you remember, right? They got hit by, some people got hit by a car, and some people's car just went off. And anyway, this is what I wanted to tell you in terms of prank videos. You let me know, what do you think? You think prank videos should be allowed, shouldn't be allowed? Is it disgusting? Where do you draw the line? Anyway, I hate prank videos. Don't find them funny one bit. Anyway, one last thing. Female, I forwarded this, the cake, and they have the birthday cake. They smashed their face in the cake. It seems that one of the cakes had 3 spikes, the sharp spikes to keep the cake in place. When they pushed this female's face, that spike went into her eyeball. I forwarded this to my group. So please, cake smashing also, don't fucking do it. It's not funny. You need to stop all this shit. Anyway, this is what I wanted to say. Let me know your thoughts. Me signing off. Ciao.